These pipes are ready for shipment. We've got a big order going out today.
Welcome to this training video, How to Inspect Pipes and Fittings Before Acceptance, a practical guide for water service providers in Kenya. In many water service providers across Kenya, pipes and fittings are received based only on color coding and pressure class. However, this approach is not enough to ensure quality, prevent leakages, and reduce maintenance costs. Every pipe and fitting must be checked against the required standard. The first step is to obtain the correct technical standard for the pipes and fittings being procured. This document provides the official dimensions, tolerances, and quality requirements you must check against. From the delivered batch, select at least 5% of the pipes for inspection. Mark each selected pipe using chalk or a marker. This sample will represent the quality of the entire delivery. When standards are not followed, materials may be of lower class or poor quality. This leads to frequent bursts, high non-revenue water, system failures, and unnecessary repair costs. Proper inspection protects both infrastructure and customers. Begin with visual inspection. Each pipe should be smooth, round, and symmetrical. Look for defects such as bubbles, cracks, dents, cuts, holes, or rough and uneven sockets. Any pipe showing these defects fails immediately. Next, carry out dimensional checks using a calibrated vernier caliper. Measure the outside diameter and inside the diameter of the non-socket part of the pipe. Compare these measurements with the values indicated in the standard. For pipes and fittings, also, measure the socket dimensions. Check both the outside diameter and the inside diameter of the socket. These must fall within the standard tolerances. Calculate the wall thickness using the formula T equals OD ID. The wall thickness must match the required class of pipe. Compare all measured values with the standard. Any pipe or fitting outside the allowable range does not comply and should be rejected. If at least 95% of the sampled items comply, you may accept the delivery. If fewer than 95% comply, reject the entire batch or inspect 100% of the materials. A clear water service providers for receiving materials is essential. In summary, always obtain the standard, sample at least 5%, inspect for defects, measure OD, ID, and wall thickness, confirm all dimensions against the standard, and finally, only accept materials that comply. Quality inspection reduces leakages and ensures a reliable water supply. Thank you for watching. For safer, stronger, and more reliable water systems, always inspect before you accept.